HSBC presents CNBC TV18's Future Female Forward, the Women's Collective, powered by Parity, Season 2.
A 2-year maternity break for Annapurni finally ended when she joined an IT product firm a few months ago. But that isn't the good part. An admin and HR staffer at a manufacturing firm from a few years ago, Annapurni is a data scientist today.
So this is a product-based company, so I need to know everything end to end. I have to unlearn, relearn, and then deliver new things to them. So it was completely challenging, and I love to do that.
While she had already upskilled before quitting her earlier job, Annapurni joined a program by indePenn during her break. This 4-year-old training company saw its founders Rajni and Rani activate a long-standing plan during the COVID pandemic: how to turn women on a career break employment ready again. indePenn says they've heard from 4,000 women in just 4 years.
More than around 500 to 600 have become our members and have started their journey with us. And around 100 of them are like nearly there, getting their jobs, doing their upskilling. So more than what we expected, we were able to reach out.
The training at indePenn includes multiple learning modules for women re-entering the job market, confidence coaching, interview training, and a novel returnship program before placement.
If the company has a longer time to observe this woman and in action at that, is she quick to learn? Does she fit in with the team? Is she disciplined? Does she take ownership of the things that she's been given to do? It is more likely that they will hire her than after a 20-minute online interview.
The training startup has also tied up with nearly 20 companies, with the majority of jobs originating from sectors like finance, technology, and manufacturing. But there are challenges too, like flexible working or the lack of it.
What we find is a challenge is getting employers to accept that, we did all this during COVID. We did hybrid, we did remote, we did in-office, we used all the platforms possible. Let's continue to do that and give these women the flexibility that they need in order to thrive.
Then there's making sure women returning to the workplace get their due.
They are very wary of asking us number. They most often leave it to the employer to say what they can pay them. So our intervention, where we actually help them with how to negotiate your salary, we make them go through a structure. See, in the industry, there is like you have spent so many years in a certain skill, then there is a value for that. And then there are also transferable skills which they acquired during the break.
Even as it navigates these challenges, indePenn says it's targeting a short-term goal of placing one woman every day before embarking on a more ambitious target of 1,000 placements a year. In Chennai, Jude Sanath.